it's me, Sassy Pants. And guess what? She said I could totally, yes, she did. Yes, she did. You know how I know she said I could do makeup? Because she already prepped the eyes for me. Thank you. I was just telling, she's watching movies. It's me, Sassy Pants, and I get to put makeup on Miss Lady Lori. So anyway, I did have to let her come and sit down. Wear this god-awful grandma. I don't know what it is. It's some moo or something. I don't know, but I don't like it. It's got to come off. It's much better because I don't do moo-moos. Anyway, she primed the eyes and then said I could go ahead and do what I wanted to do. So I'm going to use the Milani Gilded Coast and the Milani Gilded Jewel. So I don't know what we're going to do yet, but we're going to get going because she said I have to do it in less than 10 minutes. Oh, this one is beautiful. The one I stuck my fingers in? Yes, yep, that one. That is a gorgeous palette. And then there's this one. So I think we're going to go ahead and get that transition line going with this one right here. And of course, we're using our Rose and Ben Beauty. This one is the C31. Let's do with this one. It's called Life's a Beach. Ooh, and I like Cruisin'. Cruisin' is really nice too. Look at this one right here. These two, I like those. We're just going to dip in each one, just nice and gentle. Don't go tearing up your palettes either. Just touch it. And we're going to fast forward through this because there's a lot of tapping. Cue the music.
Don't you want to have fun? Fool around someone? 'Cause don't you want to have fun? Don't you want to have some fun? Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry's won't be enough this time.
This color is called Solitaire. It's right there. It's this one right here. Next to the one I took a chunk out of.
Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine. Got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart.
And if you're wondering what I have underneath the colors when I first started, well, I didn't put this, but she did. She uses the Gerard Cosmetics. This one is the eye base, and it is clean canvas. So this is the one that looks a lot like the color of her skin. I like to use the white one. And then we're going to try something very soft. This one right here next to the blue. Let's go with something pretty. Let's go with pink. We're going to try our fingers. It's very nice. Ooh, this is going to be fun.
It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Ooh, who needs a job to pay the rent is busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, right? What doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna?
Again, another Rose and Ben Beauty brush. We're going to take a little bit of this one right here. It is called Garnet. And it is this one right here, this dark. This is very pretty. Just a little. Don't rub your brushes in your palettes. Just don't do it. are so gorgeous. Back with the other brush, the C31. Let's go back into the Gilded Coast. Let's go back into this one. Did I just tap a finger in there? I did. Me and my fingers, my nails. We're going to go with this one right here. It's called Catch of the Day. It's over here in the top corner. This one here.
Yeah, this baby said that they don't got a future. Future like that. It hurts. So giving something worse to pass the time. Don't you want to have fun? Fool around with someone.
And you know, they're not even from the same palette. So they are different color stories. But they're just going so great together. I really like them. This one's called Catch of the Day. And it's almost like a very deep, like a grayish metal color.
Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kiss.
Now we're going to come under the eyes. I am going with the Catch of the Day. I'm doing it quick. Just be quiet. You're going to like it. Just be quiet.
Don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around someone.
Going back into the Gilded Jewel. Got to find another color for under the eyes. And I made sure I did both the eyelid. I did both eyes. I did. Not going to embarrass you again. Promise. Smoked Topaz.
Don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future. Future like that. It burns, so give him something worse to kill his head with. Make him forget somehow.
Okay, so I made sure I got the color under both the eyes. We're going to pause the video because I'm going to go and do a little bit of smoking, make sure and clean up anything around. Just, you know, do all the perfection stuff. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just did a little bit more and just kind of cleaned up around the eyelids and made sure that everything was even and that it was supposed to be where it was supposed to be. I did go ahead and fix underneath, and I did add a little bit of, I tight lined. Is that what it's called, tight lining? I did tight lining. It's whatever. She'll fix it if she doesn't like it. But now I'm going to use her favorite mascara because I don't know how to put on eyelashes. She's going to teach me, but just not today.
Another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry, this won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine, got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun?
Like she always says, be patient with the process. We have to let the mascara dry down, and then we take out the clumps with the clumping comb. Declumping comb. Declumping comb. Thank you. It's a very tough word to say. But I'm going to do my bottom lashes, let them dry, and then hopefully she speeds this all up.
Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Ooh, who needs a job to pay the rent is busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, right? What doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. feeling something worse to pass the time. Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some? Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be.
Okay, ta-da! And I did all of her makeup. Well, except for I haven't put any blush. I didn't do any bronzer, highlighter. But you know what? To be honest with you, if you look at her face, she really does. You don't need it. I mean, she naturally has that on her face. So I don't know why she puts any more on. But we can. If you want some more on, we'll do it in between videos. It's up to her. So do you like it? I really do. Like I said, we don't use any blush, very seldomly, once in a while. Sometimes I'll put highlighter on her. And like I said, if she wants to do the bronzer, it's up to her. But I don't think she needs the bronzer because she naturally has this indentation in her face. I don't know what it's from. It's just like both the cheeks just kind of go in. They like, just don't they? They just do. Anyway, this is the look for today. So you're going to see her using all kinds of oops. We forgot to use the declumper comb. Hang on a moment. Gets all the clumps out. And combs those eyelashes just like so perfect. They just look so nice. It's like one of the most satisfying things after we've done her makeup and then we declump. And if for any reason we get a little bit of mascara on her eyelid, or if I get it down here under her eyes, sometimes it can happen. I wait until I do the declumping comb. And then I take the side of it because it's rounded. It's not pokey. And I go like this and I just touch it and it flakes right off. Because you let it dry and when it dries, it flakes off. That's just a little trick I'm just trying to share with you. Okay, that's enough declumping. So once in a while in the light, it seems like we have shadow once in a while. Like I said, sometimes it does, but we don't. If I go look in the bathroom and turn on the light in the bathroom, I can tell it where I messed up her makeup. And 99% of the time, it looks perfectly even on each side. So I don't know, maybe sometimes the natural light coming in, or sometimes because we film late at night and only use the unnatural lights, the artificial lights, whatever. Anyway. It's not a shadow and it's not, see, look, it's perfectly blended. And then you go like this, it's perfectly blended. It is. This light down here and this one, it looks gorgeous. So anyways, I'm all done. I am going to turn it over to her. If she wants to do some recording, her face is finished. She looks absolutely beautiful. Well, I mean, because I look beautiful, that's why. But anyway, I'm just saying that we look really pretty. Well, okay, so you might not think we look pretty, but we think we look pretty, and that's all that matters, right? Right, that's all that matters. Okay, you guys, that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you liked it. I tried to stay under 15 minutes, but I don't know if I did. It's probably because I talk too much. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. See ya.
Another day, she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry, this won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action.